This is the Waldmann Tango fountain pen. It comes in a black cardboard box, the Waldmann logo on the top of the box lid, which lifts off. Inside is another box for the pen. It's a black leather or leatherette material with the Waldmann logo on the top of the box lid. It's embossed here. There's also the logo on the chrome on the front of the box. It has a hinge-style lid on the box, which lifts open. The Waldmann logo, once again, on the underside of the box lid. And, of course, we have the Waldmann Tango fountain pen. With the Waldmann pens, they use sterling silver on the metal of the pen, and this has a black resin as well. This happens to be the black rings color. Plain ring or caps on both the top and the bottom of the pen. On the clip is the Waldmann logo right here at the top, and at the ring it has Waldmann engraved with made in Germany on the backside. The Waldmann pens are all entirely 100% made in Germany. They've been around for more than 100 years and make some good quality pens. The cap is threaded and unscrews. It will post on the pen, and it has a matching chrome colored section with a stainless steel nib. It is a cartridge converter style fountain pen, so the front section unscrews from the pen, and it will take a standard international ink cartridge. There's no converter included with the Waldmann pens. They do have some ink cartridges to get you started that are be found underneath the false bottom of the box. There's also some information about the Waldmann or the warranty card. Great pen, great German brand. Get your Waldmann Tango fountain pen at penchalet.com.